How chicken farms make millions of eggs inside modern poultry farms. Eggs are one of the most consumed foods in the world, forming an essential part of diets across cultures due to their versatility, affordability, and nutritional value. Behind the seemingly simple act of cracking an egg is an advanced, sophisticated system designed to produce millions of eggs daily. Modern poultry farms employ cutting-edge technology, efficient processes, and sustainable practices to meet global demand, while ensuring the health and welfare of the hens. In this expanded article, we will take a detailed journey through the intricate process of egg production, from the life cycle of hens to the delivery of eggs to store shelves, highlighting every step in this incredible operation. The journey to egg production starts with the chickens themselves. Specialized breeding, careful nurturing, and scientifically developed environments ensure hens are optimized for productivity and health. Modern poultry farms use specific breeds of chickens that are bred for their ability to produce a high volume of eggs. Popular breeds include White Leghorn, known for their ability to lay around 300 eggs annually. These birds are lightweight and efficient. Rhode Island Red, these hens are hardy and lay large, brown eggs consistently. Selective breeding ensures these hens are not only prolific egg layers, but also resilient to environmental challenges. Newly hatched chicks are housed in specialized rearing facilities equipped with heating systems to maintain optimal temperatures. The chicks are monitored 24/7 for signs of stress or illness, and are vaccinated to protect them from diseases. Their diet is carefully formulated, providing all the nutrients required for healthy growth and eventual egg production. By the time the hens reach 18 to 20 weeks, they are mature enough to start laying eggs, marking the transition from rearing farms to laying facilities. The hen's environment is a critical factor in their productivity. Farms mimic natural daylight cycles, usually providing 14 to 16 hours of light per day to stimulate consistent egg production. Advanced ventilation and temperature control systems keep the hens comfortable regardless of external weather conditions. Modern poultry farms prioritize efficiency and hen welfare. Housing systems have evolved significantly, balancing productivity with the hens' natural behaviors. Cage-free systems. In these environments, hens are free to roam within barns, allowing them to exhibit natural behaviors such as scratching and dust bathing. Enriched cages. These cages provide additional space and include features like nesting boxes and perches, offering comfort while maintaining high production rates. Both systems are designed with biosecurity measures to protect the hens from diseases and predators. Automated feeding systems deliver scientifically balanced feed mixtures directly to the hens. These feeds are rich in proteins, calcium, and other nutrients essential for egg production. Water lines provide fresh, clean water 24/7, ensuring the hens remain hydrated and healthy. Advanced conveyor belts and waste collection systems keep the barns clean by efficiently removing droppings. This reduces ammonia buildup, ensuring better air quality and minimizing the risk of disease. Once the hens reach maturity, the egg production process begins. Each hen typically lays one egg every 24 to 26 hours, thanks to their biological rhythm and the optimized farm environment. Hens instinctively lay eggs in nesting areas designed for comfort and privacy. Soft bedding material in nesting boxes ensures eggs are cushioned, reducing the risk of cracking. Conveyor belts positioned under the nesting areas gently transport the eggs to a central collection point. This automation minimizes human handling, reducing the risk of contamination, and ensuring the eggs remain intact. Once the eggs are collected, they undergo a thorough sorting and grading process to prepare them for packaging and sale. Eggs are passed through washing systems that use gentle brushes and warm water to remove dirt and bacteria. Sanitization ensures the eggs meet food safety standards without damaging the protective outer layer of the shell. Advanced imaging technology scans each egg for cracks, deformities, or internal issues like blood spots. Eggs that do not meet quality standards are removed and often repurposed for other uses, such as in animal feed or processed egg products. Eggs are categorized by size: small, medium, large, extra large, and weight. This grading ensures consistency for consumers and businesses that rely on specific sizes for recipes and operations. After sorting, eggs are packaged and distributed to retailers and other customers around the world. Eggs are placed in cartons designed to prevent breakage during transportation. Eco-friendly packaging materials such as recycled paper or biodegradable plastics are increasingly used to reduce environmental impact. Labels provide important information including farm origin, nutritional details, and expiration dates. Some farms include QR codes that allow consumers to trace their eggs back to the source. Eggs are stored in temperature-controlled facilities to maintain freshness. Efficient logistics networks ensure eggs are delivered quickly, often reaching store shelves within 48 hours of being laid. Modern poultry farms adhere to strict animal welfare guidelines and implement sustainable practices to minimize their environmental footprint. Farms follow standards set by organizations like the Humane Farm Animal Care, ensuring hens are treated ethically. Regular health checks by veterinarians keep the hens in peak condition. Farms invest in renewable energy sources like solar panels to power operations. Chicken waste is often repurposed into organic fertilizer, creating a circular economy. Advancements in technology have revolutionized the poultry industry, making egg production more efficient, sustainable, and safe. AI-powered systems monitor egg production rates, hen health, and environmental conditions, providing real-time data for optimization. Robotic arms handle egg packaging with precision, reducing labor costs and human error. Blockchain technology ensures full transparency by tracking eggs from the farm to the store. Despite its efficiency, the egg industry faces challenges, including farms implement strict biosecurity measures to prevent outbreaks like avian flu. Demand and feed costs can vary, impacting profitability. Eggs are a vital part of global food security, providing a cost-effective source of protein for billions of people. Poultry farming creates jobs and supports local economies through the supply chain. Innovations in farming help meet the growing demand for eggs, especially in urban areas with high consumption rates. The production of millions of eggs daily is a remarkable achievement, blending advanced technology, sustainable practices, and a deep commitment to quality and animal welfare. From the careful nurturing of hens to the sophisticated packaging systems, every step is meticulously managed to ensure fresh, high-quality eggs reach consumers worldwide. The next time you crack an egg for breakfast, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken from farm to table.